Good evening, guys. As you saw how our lunchtime did, it came like perfectly, and I'm so impressed because that code was 141. Remember, if you checked my previous video, the code was 141, so it gave us 4147. The strategy from these books is they are working. It's not like they are working, really working. It's just that maybe sometimes we miss, but it does work like proper. So guys, I just want to show a special for Good Friday. Let me just explain this to you guys. Okay, so this is a special offer, for Good Friday. That's why I said Good Friday. What deals? Lotto deals. Okay, so this is what we have. We've got a book for UK49, the one with these other strategies. And then I've got a book for Mega Million. And I've got France. So when you calculate this money, it's going to be 500. But now, it's easy when you are buying as a combo. Because it's Mega Million, it's France Lotto, and then it's UK49. Then now, if you check the combo deals, it says 300 rand, which is affordable. You can buy 4 books from 300 rand, which is a best value pack that I decided to say, let me give my people in this match. Because I think in that way, it's advantageous because you can get all the draws. It's not like you're going to buy UK49 book for 200 rand, and then you buy for France another one for 200. That's too much. But if you just buy as a combo, it is reasonable. Okay, so let's see. You'll just have to follow the link. I forgot to you don't have to call, but you follow the link in the first comment of the video, you see. So now I want to experiment something. My code is 143. Let's break this code using the app. Break this code for us. This code and create 7 numbers. For example, you just need to see. We are like experimenting, guys. So let's see if it's going to break this. The code is broken. Okay, now it's breaking. You see? So now, this is what is happening. I love this app. It's making my job very easy. Because now, look, the code is 143. Then, they already highlighted here on this red and, these colors. You have to understand actually this coloring thing. Because I know people, they think it's a design. It's not a design. Actually, it is explained in the books how there's a strategy that I normally use from these colors, but I'm going to show you today how it works. Okay, let's just follow up what this app is saying for breaking down the code. So it says now, our final numbers are 43, 34, 23, 14, 13, 14, and then 1. So let me make a screenshot of this tip. It's very, very important. So now, as you can see how this app is doing, amazing. It's making wonders, because now it shows us direct digits, the split of 1 4. 13 is 1 and 3. 14 is 1 4 again. Then 23 is progressive balance. It means 23 cannot be split. Why? Because it's a progressive balance, which means the number is called 34. Also, it's a sequence flow, which means 34 can't be split. They can't split 34 instead, because it's a called number. So 34 and 23, those are called numbers. Then now we reverse this 43, make it as a 34. So now let's pair these numbers. Okay, cool. Pair these numbers in twos. Pair these numbers and make 10 lines. Sorry. I'm teaching you another strategy, and make 10 lines. Because you need to win, guys. 10 lines. Now let's say make 5 lines, so that you can be able to stack. So we have 1, we have 4, we have 13, we have 14, we have 34, we have 43. Let's see what is going to say this guy. Let's pair lotto numbers, lines. Let's see what it says now. So the line 1, or actually I said 5, but it decided to do 5 lines. I wanted pairs, but it's okay. Anyway, so which means the pairing, it goes now. This is the pairing logic that I always wanted to show you guys, of the low, mid, and high numbers. Check this out. 1 and 13. mirror pair 414, 3447, strong pair. Why? Have you ever seen that? Most of the cases, if a 34 comes, it comes like 3443. It's a reverse strong pair, as they can see, because these numbers, it's a low and mid, so they paired mid and high to produce what? 4334. You know, this one is a class. Actually, I think people might understand exactly what I'm trying to say. That is why sometimes I like to do one-on-one. Why? It's because of you guys have to understand the low, mid, high numbers. At least I just decided to create this app so that we know exactly what to do. So now it's asking me, if you want next level, can I add bonus numbers? Yes, please. Let's say add bonus. Yes, add bonus. Bonus ball. I'm doing this with you guys so that you can understand. Okay, cool. Now it's doing what I asked it to do, because our main numbers are there, and then now 5 lines plus bonus. So the bonus is what? It says the bonus is what? 7, and it says the bonus is 21. This is amazing app. Trust me, with this strategy we're gonna nail these guys, because my code are correct, I know. And then here it says line 3, it says what? Bonus 27. And then line 4, it says bonus 9. So let me do this. Line 5 says bonus 39. Let me do this. I'm just gonna try to show you guys how UK49 does their strategy. I was following everything that they're doing, because the bonus strategy, it shows me here that 7 and 9 low hot numbers, 21 and 27 the mid-range balance, 31 has got high coverage. So to understand, I think you guys have to understand what is happening here. Okay, and then now the pro tip, line 1 and 3. This one is one of, you know, in my books it is illustrated something like this, you know, so that you guys can understand. But sometimes if maybe you have a book and then you don't understand, you just have to text me, coach, there's a paragraph or there's a page that I don't understand, can you please assist me on that? I always do that. So let's just turn this into a poster so that it will just give us what? Correct results. This into a poster. Into a poster. Because I'm trying to be more specific so that you guys can understand. You know, it's become so difficult sometimes. So the poster now, it shows us this, what do you say? Okay, let me just get this one. Let me get this poster. It's wonderful. Okay, cool. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a screenshot. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I was trying to be more accurate for you guys to understand the system of UK49, how it goes, you know. So please guys, come and subscribe, and also come and buy the books. Come also and join my WhatsApp group. You'll see there's a link that I'm gonna leave at the bottom of the first comment. Thank you very much.